So 11 months of the COVID lockdown are wearing thin on a growing number of counties in Western Washington. Thanks for joining us tonight. I'm Mark Wright.
I'm Joyce Taylor. Good evening. Today, mayors, executives, and health officials across the Northwest are pleading with the governor to reconsider his regional approach to reopening. They want him to allow more communities to move forward to phase 2. King 5's Eric Wilkinson is in Whatcom County tonight with the latest for us. Eric.
Yeah, Whatcom County is in the governor's north region. It has seen far fewer COVID cases than other counties. And folks up here worry that if this current plan continues, we'll just continue to see more businesses, more restaurants like this one continue to go bottoms up.
A breakfast like this wasn't meant for takeout, and good as it may be, eating it out in the cold is far from ideal. But closing completely due to COVID would mean disaster. So Bellingham's Mount Bakery Cafe spent more than $10,000 on covered seating and heaters. This as their businesses dropped off by some 60%.
We've taken a massive hit, that's for sure. We've spent tons of money and we're way more in debt.
Businesses across Whatcom County remain stuck in phase 1 of Governor Inslee's new regional approach to reopening. Nearly a year into the pandemic, many believe the plan simply isn't working. 2 regions, including King, Pierce, and Snohomish counties, have been allowed to move into phase 2 despite many more COVID cases. Now, officials in Whatcom, Skagit, San Juan, Island, Clallam, and Kitsap counties are all sending letters to the governor asking him to find a better way.
We had a lot of patience, and I think people are running out of patience.
Whatcom County Executive Satpal Sidhu, a supporter of Governor Inslee, is among them. Whatcom's letter says there is no margin for error for smaller counties, adding a single case could sink an entire region. Sidhu says the state shouldn't be the only entity deciding a county's fate.
We have our doctors, we have our healthcare professionals. They can talk to state health department people and make a case, and that opportunity would be helpful.
Bakery owner Vince Lalone says he's in this for the long haul. His primary focus is keeping workers and customers safe, and he has faith his local leaders are doing the right thing.
I trust them to make a smart decision based on science, regardless of what other people do.
We wanted to ask the governor about this today. A spokesman told us that the governor is feeling very, very strongly about leaving reopenings up to the state. And he adds that lifting these current restrictions too soon could cause a disaster. That's their words, a disaster much bigger than we've seen so far. Live in Bellingham tonight, Eric Wilkinson, King 5 News.